What if I told you that the reason you feel drained isn't because you're doing too much, it's because your energy is out of alignment with the life that you've built? From the outside, everything actually looks good with you. You're showing up, you're handling your stuff, you're handling your business, you're getting things done. But inside, deep inside, you know that something feels off. In this video, I'm going to break down why high achievers feel the way that they do, what's actually happening in your body with your energy, and most importantly, how you can start shifting it immediately today. Okay, you've been trained yourself to push through stress, ignore that fatigue, on mode no matter what. Go, 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 go. Hustle culture. And after a while, that's going to become normal with yourself, with your life, right? Even if your life is technically working, your body is actually operating in survival mode. And that's why you can't fully relax. You feel mentally exhausted, and sometimes you can't even take a nap or you can't even rest. You actually feel disconnected from yourself. You may not know what that feeling is, but there's a disconnect going on. So ask yourself that. Ask your energy, where are you feeling disconnected? And don't feel bad. It's not that you're doing life wrong. It's that your energy hasn't really caught up with the life that you've created. And maybe it's the life that you want or you're heading there. That's fine. But we need to get the energy right so that you can live life not so hard and just flow with life much easier. Because wouldn't that be amazing if you would wake up every day feeling excited about life, right? That's the purpose of being here. We need to not only get excited when we get the thing that we want. No, we need to get excited during the journey. This is what life is. And if you're already sitting there right now, wow, holy shit, this is me, what this girl is talking about. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because this is exactly the type of work that I teach, that I love, helping you regulate your energy so you can actually feel good in the life that you're building. We are all building our lives. I have manifested the life that I have always wanted, and there's more to come. It is time to reinvent ourselves and get that life that we've always dreamed of and do it the right way, in alignment, getting our energy straight so life can be more amazing and not feel so exhausting. So if that feels good to you, stick around. Let's get into it. I'm not here just talking gibberish and things that I heard from the internet. I teach what I teach because I live it. I've had several spiritual awakenings throughout my life for over 20 years, working in high pressure environments, brought up in a very complex family structure, single mom, head of household for all of my kids' upbringing, all of their lives. They're now all 18 and 20. I know what it's like to be on this survival mode all the time. And it's not easy. But deep inside, I was literally completely disconnected from myself. I was exhausted and I was burnt out. Behind the scenes, my nervous system was constantly on alert. So even when I slowed down, I couldn't really rest. I barely knew how to meditate or pray. I didn't know how to just sit still, and I didn't know what connecting to intuition was. So those are things that can be learned, and it will be to your benefit in life. Being able to use intuition, connection with source, with energy, is going to be your compass in your life, and it's going to help you go through life so much better. So all that said, that's when I realized that success without alignment will always feel heavy and just not right. And that's what led me into energy work and nervous system regulation, and eventually the work that I do with my clients now, specifically to help manage and regulate your energy, your nervous system, and being able to then connect deeper within yourself, that inner deep work where you can actually use your intuition as a compass in your life. And with that, you're more magnetic and your aura is more vibrant, and you begin to start aligning and attracting the things that you want in your dream life, your future self. It is all going to come to fruition. That I can promise, as long as you do that deep inner work in the way that I help you and help guide you through. So stick with me. Let's go through right now a couple signs that might be happening to you so that you are aware of where your energy might be out of alignment. Number one, You're always on, even during your downtime. Does your mind race all the time? Are you thinking about the next thing? Are you always having 100 thoughts going through your head? If that is you, there's something going on. Number 2, you feel tired, but you're not physically tired. It's more of a mental fatigue, emotionally draining, and it's not going away with sleep. That's another sign. Number 3, you're disconnected from yourself. And what does that mean? Like you're making moves, you're making decisions, but no matter what, it's always just feels off, right? Like you're never certain, you're never sure, and you're always doubting yourself, constantly feeling off, like you're never fully in it and you're never fully like, yes, hell yes, this is it. With that said, if any of those hit with you, it's not random. It's just your energy is asking for recalibration, okay? So out of all of those 3 things, if you said yes to any of those, we need to reset your energy. So let me try to help you right now today on how to shift that, right? So let's try to bring that back into your control, okay? You don't need to quit your job. You don't need to change your entire life overnight. You just need to work on one thing at a time, one thing that's going to help regulate your energy. And the priority should be just starting to reconnect with your energy in these small, intentional ways. And here is, for me, the easiest way to start, and especially if you're not too open about spirituality or maybe you don't know too much, this is like the first step that's going to help you shift immediately. Do a simple daily energy check-in. You just need a minute or 2, that's it. And ask yourself, does this feel heavy or does this feel expansive? You can ask yourself, am I forcing this or am I flowing with this? You can feel the difference, right? Ask yourself both of those. That awareness alone is everything. You'll be able to feel the energy and feel your shift in that moment, and it's a matter of then just sticking with it. Do you see the smoke going on here? This is my incense. I need to move this out of the way because it's filling up my lungs. Not good. So let's learn to connect with that awareness, because when you start making decisions from alignment in your life, you stop draining yourself unnecessarily. If this is speaking to you in a deeper level, like you're like, hell yes to anything that I have said, I created a free guide to help you reset your energy so that you can start today. This gives you kind of an intro 101 on chakras, which are energy vortexes, and it helps to give you some information and understanding on that, on what is inside your body, and daily practical practices that you can do and start today that is going to help you feel so much better. And if you have any question at all while you're working through the guide, not for all to be done in one day, do each thing is marked one day at a time, right? Do this one day. Number 2, second day, you can do a different chakra. Try it out. Any questions you have, come back to this video, save this video, and comment below, and I can reach out to you and guide you if you have any questions, okay? Overall, you are going to feel so much better when your energy is regulated, reset. Your aura is more open and expanded. Life feels so much better. So take that guide. It's going to be very simple to use and you can start it immediately. Once you learn this, you change your energy, you change your life. You're gonna feel different. And if any of you out there have done any energy work before, drop a comment and let the others know, what did you feel immediately after doing, say, one session or one daily practice, right? Like, is it that difficult to do, and did you feel the shift immediately? So stay grounded, okay? Trust your energy, and I will see you in the next one.